que você tá falando? O que você tá falando?
This is drugs. What is up, everybody? Dan and the Fireman. Today we're gonna be watching this 99 lives video. Grab yourself some sushi, sit down, and let's watch some crashes. So we got pedestrians in the way, side of the pedestrian. We're barely gonna hit them. Should have been able to see him with the high-vis jacket. Get out of the way, get out of there. Should have been walking your bike so you can easily get off it and dump it and get out of there. So Dum-Dum's doing that stuff. So the Idea Farm, going through here, it has a ram mount. You guys know what I want. What do we have here? We got vehicle behind us. Okay. Oh!
92 miles per hour.
92.
You want to go to jail? I don't want to take you to jail. I ride you, man.
See?
My radar, they will take you.
He's giving him a heads up. This is another cop that I really like. I'm doing 92. He gave you a warning. Don't do that. All right, so we're teaching somebody possibly how to start the motorcycle and do a slow, straight line. Let's see what happens. Oh, we got a little bit of whiskey throttle. Let go of the bike. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go. Just let go. Okay? So if that happens, let go or pull in the clutch. So he's trying to do a slow, straight line. He gave it a little bit too much, and now this is easily going to happen on one of these bikes. A lot of torque. So be very careful when it comes to you actually practicing in a parking lot. He did it in a safe environment, but I would wear some gear, at least a helmet. If that happens, let go. Let go. Good job. It happens. It happens. Oh, it hit his hand. Here we go. Going through here. Okay, watch out for that person in the middle of the road. Swerve, 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 swerve. Plan your ride, locate that hazard, get out of the way. That person was all over the place, not knowing what to do. Check your pantalones. You'll see some brown coming down his pants. I didn't see you. Okay, probably didn't see you. But, yeah, he says he's sorry. We'll move on with our day. Stay out of the road. Yep. All right, here we go. Playing around with a vehicle from Tractor Supply Store. Let go! Oh, there's that right shoulder. Ay. That's a no bueno situation. Oh, right on top. So you got some burn issues, and you got some impact issues, a little bit of road rash. Moving through here. Watch out. Uncommon thing. Whoa, good swerve. Last second, got himself in a red stage maneuver. Don't slam the brakes. That truck, idiot. Sometimes that happens. You'd never know. That's why it's always good to be always on alert. He was looking at his hands. He's adjusting things. What do you mean illegal? You have to admit that you were in the wrong. Nah, I'm not going to admit anything. You can't ever get anybody to be accountable for their actions. Exactly. See that? Nobody's accountable for their actions. That pisses me off when it comes to people. If you're accountable for your actions, you're a good person in my book. That means you're learning. All right, we're moving through here. Nice little U-turn. We got a little pothole right there. Watch out for road surface hazards. It messed up everything, so it made it to where there's a jerky movement, which we did a little bit of this. So make sure you're looking around the ground. You're looking where you need to go, so you're constantly doing this. Looking with your eyes. I'm not doing it with the head, but it's like with your eyes. So you're scanning the road, looking where you need to go. Scanning the road, looking where you need to go. Scanning the road, looking where you need to go. And adjust your U-turn. Practice your U-turns on Motorcycle Training Concepts YouTube channel.
I'm almost to it. Oh.
All right, this is username Kate. We got...
Bike thieves behind me.
She understands because in the UK, there's a big problem with bike thieves. Problem is they don't know that username Kate can actually ride. So she's escaping this whole situation. She has an escape path going. Get yourself out of there. Now we have to position ourselves for safety, the whole planning method. So right now what she did was position for safety, located these hazards, and now she's navigating with really good evasive maneuvers, getting herself out of there because these motorcycle thieves are absolute idiots. They never took our class here at MTC Rider Academy. I don't know if she did, but here's the thing. They're absolute dum-dums, and she's a smart rider. Got herself out of there. Whew.
My hat is in my mouth.
Yeah, adrenaline's kicking. Fight or flight. She's flighting. She's leaving this situation.
Everything.
She did good.
Oh my God, 2 of them.
Now hide, or at least slow down and catch your breath.
Well, that was an eventful ride to work. I'm putting my bike inside today.
Yeah.
A new landmark.
Wow.
Liverpool. A new landmark.
All right.
You mean just an
Here we go.
excessive
Here
stupid.
we go. Intersection, orange stage.
Oh no, is it on there?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, are you paying attention there? A little scary. You got a little poo-poo in my pantalones. Hey, he's having a good time. He's okay. Laughter is actually a sign of like, oh crap, nothing bad happened.
Messing around there.
So laughter is a natural response.
Saves me right from the
So is anger.
into the road. That's my own fault though.
No, it wasn't. It was that person's fault. You did fine. All right, so they're not looking in the mirror. Oh, you got something in your mirror. So somebody's going to be passing, I think. Oh. So just because you want to move out, because that lane is slowing down, doesn't mean anybody else doesn't want to either. So double check your mirrors. Come back to the accident timer. Interesting. So big open lane, which is going to be right there.
Just got hit up.
And then we got a small, I'm not small, we have a lane that's taken up. So we wanted to move over. That's the pattern we got to pay attention to.
You all right?
Yeah, but she took off.
It looked like you were going after her.
Yeah,
She took off.
darn it.
Wow.
Yeah, I was going to go into the turn lane here, and she was shooting down here.
Yep.
Did they stop? No.
Nope.
It looked like that red truck went after him.
Yeah,
So as long as you're okay,
I think my camera's on.
your insurance will hopefully take care of it. So 2.5, 3 minutes.
They brought back the car that caused it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is a dangerous spot. Get on the side.
Hello.
The motorcycle.
Yeah. Oh, a little scrape, but I think I'll be okay.
Kind of pulled into me.
She sounds a little drunk.
To the turn lane, and the end of the common turn lane.
And she probably didn't see.
Going into the turn lane.
Okay.
So it's not a hit and run because she came back.
Get back here.
I'm sorry.
I had to try.
Oh yeah. You got here.
I went around there and then I couldn't stop and.
Huh?
She probably didn't see you because of what is called inattentional blindness.
I got a little scrape here, but
She didn't see you because the brain actually doesn't see motorcyclists when you're a car driver for the most part. All right, let's see the crash review, the after action review with some nice graphics here. So we're moving over into this area. And here we go. We moved over into this area, and what do we have? Oh, we got debris in the road. It looks like oil lost a lot of traction on that one. And we dumped the bike. So watch out for road surface hazards, especially something like that, discoloration in the road, especially if it looks like a liquid. Don't trust that it's water. Trust that it's some type of fluid that's going to take your traction away from you. So keep paying attention. He did what he had to do. It was just one too many factors involved. So he's focused on all the traffic, focused on keeping his bike upright, focused on everything, and then he just did not see that oil. It just, sometimes it happens. That's why you wear full gear. That's why you wear full gear as a smart rider.
Oi. Aí sim. O que você tá falando? O que você tá falando?
This is drugs.
Não, você fala.
Some type of intoxicant.
Aí, abriu aí, ó.
Be nice. Just kind of smile. It's just like talking to your drunk buddy. Be like, hey man, let's just hey, let's not have another beer. Let's get going, Oh, we got a little low side into the road. We held onto the bike. And here's what's going to happen. Lost that traction, so he probably slammed the brakes, and we lost rear tire traction. We did a good swerve with this rider to get out of the way, but thankfully he didn't go into the guardrail. Now, this could have been very bad. There is some impact. There's the road rash, so we got some thermal transfer into the buttocks. So Danny Spearman riding at night, so we have an issue with a side of the vehicle right here. Brake, swerve. Good job with the progressive brake pressure. Got himself out of that situation. Did a red stage maneuver. Yeah, that person did an illegal turn or something. did something really dumb. All right, nightlife fam. Okay, going pretty fast, you know, going 60-something miles an hour. This person is going to go a little too wide. We see this way too, and this person follows because they target fixated on the other driver. So, and we almost did the same thing. This is when we rescue another rider with our trauma kit, guys. We have a rescue kit. Oh, no, 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 no. So, this is why we need to ride our own ride and not haul ass. We see this all the time on these motorcycle channels, is that we're going too fast in the corners. Just slow it down. So you need to look far ahead, adjust your speed, maintain decent throttle control, don't spaz out, make sure you're focused, and keep looking for that exit. These people are just not doing that. It's because everyone is messing up the second part of adjusting your speed. You might be going too fast. Stop going so fast. You don't have the skills to navigate that situation. Take it to the track. Exactly, Stu. Take it to the track. Hopefully the bike is okay. Hopefully we just learned our lesson.
You got your back one.
The back one could be just stuck in the on position, basically. So it might just be rubbing that rear rotor.
Nobody hurt? Alright. Stay safe.
You haven't
So
subscribed.
thank you so much, 99 Lives, for putting together this video. Guys, if you want to watch this, make sure you watch it live every Friday. Get yourself a rescue booklet. Get yourself a rescue kit. They are on the store right now. And join the MTC Rider Academy. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.